Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to set up standing orders in Starling Bank. Yes, you can easily set up standing orders in Starling Bank using the mobile app. To create a standing order, first, go to the Payments tab. You'll need to have the payee you want to pay already added. Tap on the payee, then tap Pay. Enter the amount and a reference, then select Schedule a Payment. From there, you can choose the start date, the frequency of the payments, and even an end date if you want. Once you're done, the standing order will appear in the Schedule tab. Starling also has a Bills Manager feature that lets you pay standing orders and direct debits directly from a dedicated space, helping you budget more easily. You can set up automatic transfers from your main account to the space to ensure the money is always there when the payment is due. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share,